I'm Kevin Carter, the CEO of Colorworks Canada, here at our head office in Port Elgin, Ontario. I'm excited about two things moving forward with Colorworks. One, we are bringing on new franchisees where we expect to double, maybe even triple our volume over the next 5 to 10 years. And the second thing I'm really excited about is that our productivity in each shop goes up every year. What that speaks to is happy customers, great word of mouth, and great operators. And those are the two biggest things I'm excited for in the coming years.
Hi, my name is Keith Oben. I'm the front of house manager and co-owner of Colorworks Huntsville.
Hi, I'm Mike Waters. I am the co-owner and shop supervisor at the Colorworks Huntsville.
So no, the support from Colorworks Canada has been fantastic. For accounting, Charlene and Emily are unbelievable. Nick, call him once a week at least with a tech question that would take me 2 hours to figure out myself. And the other franchisees have been brilliant too for just quick questions, a bit of help, run something by them.
Well, what I would say is that it's like a marriage. It's gonna have good days. It's gonna have bad days. I've been around it for a long time and on both sides of it, and I've seen a lot of trials and tribulations, a lot of change. It's been a great opportunity and I'm glad to be involved. It's been quite a ride from spraying cars in parking lots to a full line collision center, so it's been pretty neat.
Hi, I'm Lex Primo. I'm one of the co-owners of Colorworks Port Elgin.
Hi, I'm James Dreyer. I'm one of the co-owners here at Colorworks Port Elgin. I find Port Elgin a very tight-knit community, so our customers you see every day, whether it's out at the Ball Diamonds or at the grocery store. You run into people all over the place and they tell you about their car troubles and we try to help them with that.
To a new franchisee, I would say you're not alone in this. There's support from franchisees like ourselves. Head office is always there to help. Having a good staff and everything behind you makes the job a whole lot easier and manageable.
Hi, I'm John Pito, and I'm the co-owner of Colorworks London.
My name's Maureen Pito, and I'm also the co-owner of Colorworks London.
We've been with the Colorworks family since 2006, and it's been almost 30 years now since I've been with the company.
So we do have some employees that have been with us for a long-standing period of time, 18 plus years, 20 years. They've grown up with us, and they've grown up as part of our family. Watched us have a family and we've watched them have a family. And a lot of customers come in and they're just, especially if they've been in an accident, they just want someone to talk to. And it's easier for someone they don't know to sit there and tell them their life story than someone they do know, because we're non-judgmental here, right? The accident happened. I'm not here to judge how or why the accident happened. I'm just here to help you fix it.
When people come in, we try to ease the stress by explaining the repair process to them and helping them understand what it is we will be doing. And sometimes it could be just stress related to how am I going to get my car here and get home, where we'll give you a ride home if you need it.
So I'd say a lot of our success over the past years as owners has been with the relationships that we have. The relationships we have with each other, with our team, within our broader community, within our dealerships. We've managed to build a culture of trust and a culture of success, and it permeates through, the client comes in the door and they've heard about us from a person and they like the work and they trust us. When we are out in the community, we're doing our thing. People are coming up to us because we're there, we're present, and again, it feels good to be connected. It feels good to have these relationships because they're inherently beneficial. You do truly see that benefit in the volumes and in the financials at the end of the day.
At Colorworks, you're going to join a family with a wealth of knowledge and experience. All of our current franchisees are here to help, and they care about your success. We're expanding across Canada. If you feel strongly about reliability, continuous improvement, and good partnership, we look forward to hearing from you.